Hello, this is another video by Joanna. It's a €20,000 property, which is £17,626 today.
Hello, good day. I am Joanna and I am in this beautiful village called Gorsko Ablanovo. I apologize, but the owner doggy who is sitting over there, I keep barking me because don't know me. They are tidy there to be able to take pictures and video for all of you to see this charming property with a lovely view where you can see all the village of Gorsko Ablanovo. Gorsko Ablanovo is nice, very friendly village with beautiful rural countryside sites. The village is only 10 minutes away from the near town Opaka and less of hour away from Ruse, half hour to town Popovo. This property which I present today to you is sitting in a little hill of the village next to our Christmas forest. You can see on the back, have a nice drive into. The house is in a so livable condition with a bathroom and a toilet, a beautiful view and nice neighbors and quiet and beautiful. Here is a lovely autumn time now. The garden is about 1,000 square meter, or you can see later in the details which I will show you. Here have a ruined barn and I will show you the rest into the property right now. You haven't going into the driveway. You have over there a nice double door and a barn where you can bring your vehicle into the property. Because have a vineyard on the front of the property, for me will be a little bit hard to can present to you the full size of the house, but I will try. I have a little helper today with me who talk on a background with the owner, and you can see over here. I show you after. The house have a water and a electric. It's nice, lovely views. The owner still maintain the property, and here you have a little path which bring you down to the veggie plot where you can put a different crops for yourself or a swimming pool. In the garden have lots of fruit trees, have a quince, peach, cherry, apricot, plums, lots of grapes, and someone just need a good hanger to be able to tidy well this property, renovate it and using for holiday home or for a non-stop home here in rural Bulgaria. I'll go inside to show you. The house is built from stones, bricks, mud and wooden construction. Have a little joy building with one room on a side which they are using like a living room, and is with two exits downstairs where you can go from one end and go out on the other end. Here outside have a nice sink, which is really important when you do all outside work. And here on the side you have a little storage. The owner keeping their bee boxes, and the doggy on the side is come down now because start used my voice and is friendly moving the towel. It's lovely and peaceful here You can hear even the planes in the sky. We're going inside to take a look now. The sun play with the camera and reflecting. I'm going to show you. Start from the dry building, where you have two doors, where you can come from one side or other with a little corridor, little entrance, little sink on the side. They are tapped it with a lid. You can put it back on for yourself if you need. And we come into our living room. The Bulgarians like usually to sleep and eat in one room. Here is the fridge, the telly, the bed, the nice wood burner. The floors are matte with liner on the top. And from here you go into a little kitchen area where have been kept all these nice beams. On the other room you have a sheet chipboard which they create that ceiling. If you take it off, probably you will have in a nice beams. Here is the sink, the little cooker pans and everything what you need. The space is big. Here they have a little shelf with all jars where they are keeping their preserves for the winter. You have a compote. This is a jar with fruit and water. You boil it on the winter with sugar and come a lovely compote juice where the Bulgarians and the kids love it. And from here you have they separate the basement in two, and you come to a nice large basement with stones on a wall. And here is the old granddad workshop. You can see all this old tidy thing where you are keeping and working with the metal. The beams are nice, all typical, original. And from here they create a bathroom. You have a big size bathroom with a sink, toilet, boiler, old one, and shower. And from here you can get in out into the garden if you want, or you can go back into the floor where we came. Excuse me. Just for the fun, I'll go quickly back. See this nice big beam over there. It's huge. Go from one end to other end of the basement, and you can see it. This was a big basement which they are just separated with a chipboard and create two rooms. And I'm going back way from where I came, so you can understand where I've been. I bring you now upstairs so you can see the rest of the property. You have a nice stone stairs. Each step is a full piece of stone. And nice vineyard. Look like the bees beneath the grapes. It's a little bit windy today. You can see the plane in the sky. We're passing now, if you cannot see it. And upstairs we have our 3 rooms and a toilet. The walls are from plasterboards. You have little cracks on the walls, but don't forget this is a really old house. Normal to have cracks. This is one of the bedrooms. The doggy start bark my helper, and for this is noisy on the video. I have a good size bedroom for someone. Can see through the window. On the side is the barn, and from the other side it's a nice view and a barking doggy. I apologize for the dog, but the dog is not happy because we tied it to take the pictures. From here I'm going to another bedroom with double beds and wood burner which heat in the 2 rooms. From here you have again view on the side into the garden. The floors are chipboard and 2 beds on the side. The ceilings are flat, the old render. You have a wood burner down which heat in 2 rooms with the room in the middle. And now I'm going to show you the last room. The house is tidy, fresh. This room, the window look on the side of the street. Look at what big thick walls have in this house, more of 50 centimeters, and this is the road on the front of the property. Lots of spider webs, you can see it properly. And here is the toilet. The room is big. You can create another wet room if you want. Yeah, keeping like a storage, sink and a toilet, rather to you go outside through the night. You can using a toilet over here. And here is this wood burner which keeping the heating on the 2 rooms. But the old people stay downstairs and they're keeping upstairs only when their kids visit them. And look at that lovely view here. You can see it, the near forest. I'm going to show you at the street at the moment when we go out. That's nice and refresh. Today we have a beautiful sun, not typical for the autumn time. This barn is part of the property, bring a good charm and authentic. You imagine with these little stairs, the old people going up and save all their things up there. And here you have a good road around you. And this is the street which bring you into the property. And this is the side of the house with the 2 chimneys. The roof is still okay, no leaks. And again, the beautiful rural surround us. That was from me for today. If you wish to visit this nice Bulgarian house in village Gorsko Ablanovo, please visit our website bg.house. Contact us through our email or contact us through our WhatsApp. We always answer to our messages. Will be nice to show to some of you this beautiful home in Bulgaria. That was from me for today. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.